Mr. M, and it's time for Language for Learning, which we haven't done in a week, more than a week, since your whole sort of break. All right, it's time to get back in. We're going to pick up where we left off with empty and full, and then we're going to move on to something else. Now, let's look at this. Again, we're going to be talking about full and empty. Is this box full? No. Is this box full? Yes. Is this box full? No. Is this box empty? Yes. Now everybody say the whole sentence about this box. This box is empty. Again, with me. This box is empty. Try again. Is this box full? No. Say the whole sentence about this box. It is either full or it is empty, which is, so say the whole sentence. This box is empty. Now this one, is this box full? Yes. Say the whole sentence about this box. This box is full. About this box. Say the whole sentence about this box. This box is empty. Good. Okay. Now, I'm going to point to a box, and if it is full, you say full. If it is empty, you say empty. Empty. Full. Empty. Okay, what are you going to say if it's full? Full. What are you going to say if it's empty? Empty. Oops, wrong way. Okay. Full. Empty. Empty. Full. Okay, everybody, next we are going to work on another pair of words. It's going to be one thing or the other, just like empty, full. It can't be both. So this is not going to be both. It's going to be two words, and they are whole or part. What does it mean? Whole. Not like a hole you dig in the ground, but a whole thing put together. A whole cup. A whole bunch of grapes. What's part mean? Part means not the whole. This is a pen. This is a whole pen. Actually, let's do this. Now it's a whole pen. It has all of the parts to be a pen. It's not a half a pen. There's nothing missing from the pen. It is whole. The cap is a part of the pen. This is another part of the pen. This is the part with the ink. We could even take this into another part, the point, the head, and the ink. I'm not going to take those apart because they're hard to get back together without making a mess. And this is the shell, the body, the chassis of the pen. I don't know what the actual name for this is. Pen holder, the case. The point is, it's not a whole pen, right? It's just a part. Not a whole pen, just parts. Not a whole pen, just a part. But if I put them all together, all of the parts come together to be a whole. So, we're going to look at some things, and you're going to tell me whether the thing that I'm pointing to is a part of a thing or the whole thing. Okay? So this is what we're going to be looking at for whole and part. This, what animal is this? Yes, this is an elephant. Very good. We're going to be looking at this elephant. We're going to be looking at the whole elephant, and we're going to be learning about the parts of an elephant. Okay. So this whole animal is, what is this? An elephant. Now we're going to say the whole sentence. This, say it with me, this is an elephant. Now I'm going to name the parts of the elephant. This is a tail. These are legs. This is a head. And this is a trunk. You may have said nose, and it is a kind of a nose, but an elephant has a special, this long part is called the trunk. And this is what? This is the body. Okay, so it's your turn to tell me the parts. What is this part called? That is, yes, that's the tail. What are these parts? Very good, those are legs. What is this part? That is the head, yes. And remember what we just called this part? What is this part? The trunk. And what is this big thing here? This is the body. Yeah, I'm not really pointing. What is this part called? This is the ear. We're not really pointing to the ear when I went like this, and I just want to make sure you know that I'm talking about the body. So, okay, listen. And you tell me when I touch it. An elephant has a tail. An elephant has legs. An elephant has a head. An elephant has a body. And an elephant has a trunk. And what is the whole thing called? An elephant. Okay, so what is this part? What is this part? What is this part? What is this part? What is the whole thing? And what are these parts? Okay, and that is our lesson for now. There's going to be a worksheet for you to work on. Get to work. Do the whole thing, not just a part.